Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. We are here to present to you our research report about power amplifiers. First, let me tell to you our objectives, our plan of development, and our scope. Objectives of this research report is for students especially, is these students to have a glimpse of how this circuit works. Second objective is for readers to have a better understanding on things happening in the circuit, or on how it amplifies, or how amplifier works, or what its importance. Next is our scope. This tackles all about the need for ampli, its benefits, its application, concept, and basic things on how amplifier works. Third is our plan of development. In our report, we have planned to use the element of unity, coherence, and emphasis, but we'll focus on emphasis. Because this is engineering, we will use emphasis to impose new things maybe to them. We'll also use light terms so better understanding or digestion will take place. To sum up this, as what is known, amplifier is used to maximize sounds, but it doesn't mean that more power you use, the greater sound it will create. Okay. Amplifier is a device used to amplify input signals. Amplifier is used to regulate the input signals. It is the type of amplifier used in audio applications. This is used in it is used to process an input power to an amplified output power. In preparing a power amplifier, there are many things to consider before using a power amplifier. It needs to be checked, preventing the power amplifier to malfunction. It's beneficial because it can provide protections on the gadget. Okay. This being the real world, no amplifier is exactly the ideal, but many do a very great job if they are afraid of within their advertised power ratings. The next reporter will be Nance.